Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will start the new topic, that is parasitism and parasitic adaptations. In this topic, different types of parasitism. Which parasitism? The parasitism can be classified into following categories. Accidental parasitism. Accidental parasitism, when a free living animal accidentally reaches inside the body of the host, then it leads a parasitic life of some time, means some incubation period. That parasite live in the body of host, accidentally enters in the body of host, that is called as the accidental parasitism. Facultative, when the animal can live both as parasitic or free living, they we know as facultative parasite. Sometimes live in the parasitic nature and sometimes live in the free atmosphere, that is called as facultative. Third category is obligatory parasitism. These animals can not lead a free life, therefore they need a suitable host for them. The obligatory parasitism of different types. Ectoparasitism, means the animals live on the external surface of the body of the host, that is called as ectoparasite. Ticks, mites and other different types of flies, that is called as ectoparasites. Endoparasitism, the animals live inside the body of host in various organs and systems, that is called as endoparasitism. That parasite live inside the body of host, that is called as endoparasitism. And ectoparasitism means that parasite live on the body surface of the host. Effect of parasitism upon the parasite. Changes from a free living condition to a parasitic life involves changes in the body of the animals. Due to parasitic mode of life, certain new structures are developed due to new environmental requirements. Similarly, certain characters which are of no use in new environment are lost. All such changes are included with effect on parasitism on the parasite. The elements are modified morphologically as well as physiologically to live in their particular environment. Morphological adaptations, and second is physiological adaptation. Morphological adaptation of parasites. These are of two types: structure which are partially or wholly lost, structures which have developed afresh. Second number is structures which have developed a fresh morphologically adaptations. Degenerations. Organs of locomotion. Locomotion is actually an effort for procuring food, but parasites habitually inhabit such places in the host body where sufficient food is available without efforts. Thus, the organs of locomotion, such as the cilia of free living turbellarians, are absent in the parasitic forms. It is interesting to note that the locomotory organs are duly present in free living larvae of parasitic forms. The myriacidium process, cilia, and the cercaria processes a tail for locomotion. Organs of nutrition. Food of the parasite comprises the readily available, digested or semi-digested food of the host. Therefore, there is a reduction in trophic organs. In trematodes, there is an incomplete gut, and in most of them suctorial pharynx is present. In cystodes, the mouth and alimentary canal are lacking. Mouth and alimentary canal are lacking means totally absent in the cystode. Because digested food is readily available in the gut of the host. Nervous system. Living safely in a more or less stable environments, parasites do not need a complex nervous system. Sense organs. Which type of sense organs present in the different types of parasites? Progressive parasitism is accomplished by the loss of sense organs. The sense organs necessary for quick and efficient response to the stimuli are associated with the pre-active life. In the host, the environment is more or less uniform, and so the sense organs are not essential. Hence, they are reduced. The endoparasites are generally provided with tango receptors. Neoformation. Number 1, protective covering. Neoformation. There are no epidermal cells in the adult, instead of which the body is covered by a several layered thick cuticle, which protects the parasites from the juices of the host. Means in the juices of host different types of chemical also present, but that chemicals not effect on this type of cuticle of parasite. The outer surface of the cuticle is formed of fibrous proteins called keratin. The cuticle may be provided with scales. Second number, organs of attachment for a firm grip on or in the host's body. Some special organs of adhesion are necessary. The platform for this purpose are variously armed with suckers, hooks and spines. The suckers themselves may be with or without hooks and spines. Organs for penetration. The parasites must penetrate the host body for entering it. So the parasites develop certain structures for penetration. Myriacidium larva has a conical process at the anterior end called the apical papilla. There are a pair of penetration glands inside the body near the anterior end. Next, suctorial pharynx. All the endoparasites except cystodes have a suctorial pharynx by means of which liquid food is sucked into the intestine. Intestine is always branched. Next, reproductive system. It is highly developed and the production of the eggs is prolific. The parasitic flatworms are hermaphrodite. In cystode, the reproductive organs are much more elaborate and are repeated in each proglottids. Each mature proglottids possesses one set of tinea solium or two sets of diphyllidium in the diphyllidium and single set of in the example tinea solium cystode parasites of male and female reproductive organs. In each gravid proglottids, all other organs of the system degenerate to make rooms for the uterus, which is greatly enlarged and branched to accommodate a large number of eggs. Okay, thank you.